If you encounter billing errors on KDP, it's important to address them promptly to ensure your account remains in good standing. Follow these steps to resolve any issues efficiently. Step 1. Identify the error. Review your billing statement carefully to pinpoint the specific error. Look for discrepancies in charges, missing payments, or incorrect account information. Step 2. Gather documentation. Collect all relevant documents such as invoices, payment receipts, and any correspondence related to the billing issue. This information will be crucial when contacting support. Step 3. Contact KDP support. Visit the KDP help page and navigate to the contact options. Reach out to KDP support via email or chat, providing them with the details of the billing error and any documentation you gathered. Step 4. Follow up. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Monitor your account. After the issue has been addressed, keep an eye on your KDP account and billing statements to ensure that the error has been corrected and that no further issues arise. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve billing errors on KDP and maintain a smooth publishing experience.